In recent years, geospatial AI has transformed how we analyze the world from above. From counting crops to inspecting rooftops and monitoring environmental changes, the possibilities seem endless. At the heart of this revolution are two standout models, YOLO and SAM. These tools have become the backbone of countless remote sensing and drone imagery projects, each offering unique strengths. But which one truly leads the way in geospatial detection? In this video, we'll break down their differences, strengths, and real-world applications, guiding you through the technical landscape of modern geospatial AI. Let's introduce our contenders. YOLO, short for You Only Look Once, is a lightning-fast object detection model. It's known for its ability to spot and count objects and images with remarkable speed. On the other hand, SAM, or Segment Anything model, is a cutting-edge segmentation tool that can outline and separate objects with high precision. While both are powerful, they're designed to tackle different challenges in geospatial analysis. Understanding their core differences is key to choosing the right tool for your project. YOLO's strength lies in its ability to detect and classify objects quickly. It's especially effective when you have large, well-labeled datasets. For example, in geospatial projects, YOLO can process millions of image tiles from massive orthomosaics, identifying objects like vehicles, tanks, or trees with ease. Its reliance on bounding box annotations makes it ideal for scenarios where precise object counts are crucial. When your data is clean and well organized, YOLO truly shines. SAM takes a different approach. Unlike YOLO, it doesn't require a training dataset. Instead, it uses prompts like points, boxes, or masks to segment objects on the fly. This makes SAM perfect for rapid experiments or when you lack detailed polygon annotations. If you need to quickly generate high-quality masks for new types of objects, SAM is your go-to model. Its flexibility and prompt-based workflow open up new possibilities for geospatial segmentation. YOLO is billed as a one-stage object detector, meaning it predicts object locations and classes in a single pass. Its backbone networks, like CSPNet or DarkNet, are designed for speed and efficiency. The model's head predicts bounding box coordinates and object classes, making it highly effective for detecting small objects in high-resolution geospatial imagery. YOLO's architecture is optimized for tile-based inference, allowing it to process vast datasets quickly and accurately. SAM's architecture is built for segmentation. It uses a vision transformer, ViT backbone, to encode the image, followed by a prompt encoder and a mask decoder. This pipeline allows SAM to generate high-quality polygon masks without any prior training. The result is precise object boundaries, making SAM especially useful for tasks like building footprint extraction or tree canopy segmentation in geospatial workflows. When it comes to accuracy, YOLO excels at detecting and counting objects. It's highly reliable for identifying water tanks, vehicles, trees, fruits, and even crop stress in geospatial imagery. Newer YOLO versions, like YOLO 9 and YOLO World, have further improved generalization and small object detection. If your project requires accurate object counts across large areas, YOLO is a top choice. SAM stands out for its ability to produce near-perfect masks. It's the go-to model for extracting building footprints, segmenting tree canopies, outlining water bodies, and mapping roads or urban boundaries. However, SAM's accuracy depends on the quality of prompts and the clarity of image tiles. When you need detailed polygon boundaries rather than just object counts, SAM delivers exceptional results. Scalability is a major factor in geospatial projects. YOLO is highly optimized, running efficiently even on mid-range GPUs like the RTX 3060. It supports batch processing and is ideal for enterprise-scale orthomosaics. In contrast, SAM's ViH backbone is computationally intensive, making it better suited for offline tasks or smaller datasets. While lighter versions like Mobile SAM exist, YOLO remains about 10 times cheaper for large-scale processing. YOLO's versatility shines in agriculture, urban, infrastructure, and environmental applications. It's used for weed detection, fruit counting, crop gap analysis, cattle and machinery detection, and more. In urban settings, YOLO helps detect water tanks, encroachment objects, rooftop solar panels, and vehicles. For infrastructure, it monitors construction, detects poles and towers, and even tracks mining debris. Its ability to handle diverse detection tasks makes it a favorite in many geospatial workflows. SAM excels in segmentation-heavy tasks. In agriculture, it's used for field boundaries, leaf and canopy segmentation, and disease patch extraction. Urban applications include building footprints, road and slum boundaries, and tree canopy mapping. For infrastructure, SAM generates roof and road masks and maps railway corridors and drainage networks. In environmental monitoring, it's invaluable for mapping wetlands, forest cover, flood extents, and riverbanks. Whenever precise boundaries are needed, SAM is the tool of choice. The core difference between YOLO and SAM lies in their approach. YOLO is detection first, focusing on counting and locating objects, while SAM is segmentation first, delivering high-quality object boundaries. Depending on your project's needs, whether you require object counts or precise shapes, choosing the right model can make all the difference in your geospatial workflow. What if you could get the best of both worlds? The most effective geospatial workflows today combine YOLO and SAM. First, YOLO detects and localizes objects in massive datasets. Then, SAM takes those detections and generates precise polygon masks. This hybrid approach delivers unmatched detection accuracy and segmentation quality, speeding up processing and unlocking full spatial intelligence for advanced analytics. So, which model should you choose? If your project is detection-heavy and needs to process millions of tiles quickly, YOLO is the clear winner. For tasks demanding high-quality segmentation and detailed boundaries, SAM is unmatched. But for the most comprehensive results, combining both models in a hybrid workflow is the ultimate solution. Assess your project's needs and leverage the strengths of each model for optimal geospatial intelligence. As geospatial AI continues to evolve, the synergy between detection and segmentation models like YOLO and SAM will only grow stronger. With advancements in model architectures and computing power, we can expect even more accurate, efficient, and scalable solutions for remote sensing and spatial analytics. The future is bright for geospatial intelligence, powered by the best of both detection and segmentation technologies.